I am S. Bhattacharya, Sudeep Bhattacharya, preparing the Bhuna Ghost for 3 to 4 persons. The preparation is very simple. We have actually all the, I am now going to tell what the ingredients have been added. The meat, the good quality meat has been selected and it has been marinated with ginger, onion, garlic, tomato, paprika, all these things have been marinated for about 4 hours. After that, the preparation has already been good quality of meat. Less rewaji, not full rewaji. Achha. Then we apply the paprika. We crush it. Onion, ginger,
একটু দেখান এদিকে সামনে
ginger, tomato, garlic, and oil. And marinate it for at least 3 to 4 hours. Actually, with also the turmeric powder and chili powder is also added. It's mixed. Then at least a good time is also allowed for marination. After this is very simple preparation. The potato is fried. It's
cut
2 pieces, big size potato. Cut in 2 pieces. Then it's fried. Okay. So you can get the whole of rubber and add go. And
এখন বন্ধ করে রাখবো
actually one thing is very important when we go to fry the potato. That is after cutting into 2 halves. For say what we do, we knife inside the potato, you see, like this. And all the masala and the oil will go inside the potato very easily.
ঠিক আছে এটা আর এরপর আর কিছু অন্য কোনো ইভেন্ট আছে না এটাই এটা একই জিনিস বারবার দেখানো দরকার
না এটা একবার বলুন না
হ্যাঁ বলুন
now oil is being poured.
মাস্টার্ড অয়েল
Okay. দেখো ফ্রাই করো না ওইটা
এক্সস্ট
oil. Okay, now we are adding the oil. Actually mustard oil, we have already put the mustard oil and it is to be heated till it smokes. Then when it starts smoking, then we have to add the potato, you see, for frying.
অনিয়নের চাল
আমি পরে দিতে হবে এটা ঠিক taking out the potatoes. The frying is over. Okay. You see the color of the potato after fry is what you are doing. A chili, red chili. We are doing for frying. তাই না? তুমি মানে মনটা একটু অন্ধকার হবে না? এটা আলো না হলে অসুবিধা নেই। This red chili is only being fried. It will be no. Actually, this will not be added in the curry. It is only for the flavor. Only for the flavor. Okay, now all the garam masala. Sorry, now the onion. This onion is being added. But these chili are not going to curry, actual curry. Now we are going to put all the garam masalas. And it has been fried for about 2 minutes like that. Now we are going to put the marinade meat. Okay. What we have to do, continuously we have to make it curry, okay? It should not be continuously, it should be mixed with all the things properly, and until it removes oil we have to cook. Until it removes oil. See the oil, all oil and water from the ingredients is coming out. See? Oil is coming also. You see? Oil is coming out. Now the cooking is over. So the all oil has come out. Now we are adding the hot water inside it. Hot water inside it. For final cooking.
বলছি কি কোয়ান্টিটিটা কতটা জল দিতে হবে?
Oh, quantity. Actually, it is 1 kilo of meat is there. So, half liter water, half liter hot water. Okay, half liter hot water. And now we are going to. But one thing, we are not going to put this fried red chili inside it. This was only fried for the flavor purpose. When we put the oil, first of all, we put the red chili and fried it till it turns black. It is only for the flavor. We're not going to add it. We can use it for something else, but not for this curry. Now we are going to add the put the that potato. And this fried onion will be scattered when the cook is over, not now.
রেকর্ড করছি।
Now the cooking is almost over. Okay, and for getting it confirmed, take this knife and check whether the potato or meat has been boiled properly or not. You see the meat and totally boiled. Okay, very boiled. Now what we have to do, we have to add the salt. Now this portion of salt is being added. Salt is being added in last time at a final stage, and little water, hot water again you put. Okay. Bas. Now you see, this meat, this preparation has not been done in the pressure cooker, only in the handi. Only in the handi. It is called the bhuna gosht. It is bhuna gosht, and this onion for the. It is also for the flavor. Now the cooking is over. We have already seen the potato and meat has been properly boiled. And now I'm taking this under from the oven, and it is ready to serve. Okay. This preparation name is bhuna gosht. Thank you.
ভালোবাসা লাভ।
And one thing I have to tell, say before serve, you put some bhalobasha inside it,
লাভ লাভ।
and then love inside it, and then serve.
ধন্যবাদ।
Dhanyavad.